मुझसे जुड़े रहने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलें। उसकी नज़र नेहा पर है। His eye are on नेहा। His eyes are on नेहा। वो इसी तरफ आ रहा है। He is coming in this direction. He is coming in this direction. मेरा पसंदीदा गाना चल रहा है। My favorite song is playing. My favorite song is playing. मुझे इससे कोई परेशानी नहीं है। I don't have any problem with it. I don't have any problem with it. अपने मास्क को पहने रहना। Keep wearing your mask. Keep wearing your mask. मैं आज तेरे साथ नहीं आ सकता। I can't come with you today. I can't come with you today. क्या इससे तुम खुश हो जाओगे? Will that make you happy? Will that make you happy? वो मेरी तरक्की से जलता है। He is jealous of my progress. He is jealous of my progress. वह तो निशा के इशारों पर नाचता है। He dances on the instructions of Nisha. He dances on the instructions of Nisha. मुझे पता था कि तुम आग बबूला हो जाओगे। I knew you would fly off the handle. I knew you would fly off the handle. तुम्हें बीच में टांग अड़ाने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है। You don't need to get involved in this. You don't need to get involved in this. कभी तुमने मेरा हालचाल पूछा है? Have you ever asked after me? Have you ever asked after me? कभी तुमने मुझे पानी के लिए भी पूछा है? Have you ever offered me water? Have you ever offered me water? मेरी और निशा की सोच बहुत मिलती है। Mary and Nisha's thought are very similar. Mary and Nisha's thought are very similar. हमारी बहुत बातें मिलती हैं। We have a lot in common. We have a lot in common. वो मेरे शीट पे से उतार कर लिख रहा है। He is copying off my sheet. He is copying off my sheet. क्या तुम ये पहनकर शादी में जाओगे? Will you wear this to the wedding? Will you wear this to the wedding? वो गंदे कपड़े पहनकर स्कूल चला गया। He wore dirty clothes to school. He wore dirty clothes to school. तुम होते कौन हो मुझे रोकने वाले? Who are you to stop me? Who are you to stop me? मेरे फ़ोन के साथ छेड़छाड़ मत करना। Don't tamper with my phone. Don't tamper with my phone. मुझसे कपड़े धोने की उम्मीद मत करना। Don't expect me to wash the clothes. Don't expect me to wash the clothes. मेरा इरादा तुम निराश करने का नहीं था। I didn't mean to disappoint you. I didn't mean to disappoint you. मेरी बराबरी करने की कोशिश मत करो। Don't try to compete with me. Don't try to compete with me. अभी 100 रुपये से काम चला लो। Make do with 100 for now. Make do with 100 for now. उसने बेड पर चाय गिरा दी। He spilled tea on the bed. He spilled tea on the bed. वो लड़की सिर्फ तुझे बहका रही है। She is just leading you on. She is just leading you on. किस किस का मुंह बंद करोगे? Whom all will you shut up? Whom all will you shut up? कुछ तो लिहाज करो उसका। Show some respect. Show some respect. तेरा मुंह क्यों उतरा हुआ है? Why is your face swollen? Why is your face swollen? मैंने ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं किया है. I have done nothing of that sort. I have done nothing of that sort. रो रो के उसकी आंखें सूज गई हैं. His eyes are puffy from crying. His eyes are puffy from crying. वो नए नहाए बहाने लाता रहता है. He keeps coming up with new excuses. He keeps coming up with new excuses. कुछ जरूरी काम आ गया है. Some important work has come up. Some important work has come up. मैंने तुमसे ज्ञान झाड़ने के लिए नहीं कहा. I didn't ask you to preach. I didn't ask you to preach. मुझे 10 रुपए के लहसुन दे दो. Give me 10 rupees worth of garlic. Give me 10 rupees worth of garlic. मैं 20 रुपए के टमाटर लेने जा रहा हूँ. I'm going to buy 20 rupees worth of tomatoes. I'm going to buy 20 rupees worth of tomatoes. मेरा घर चौराहे के पास है. My house is near the crossroad. My house is near the crossroads. अगले चौराहे से बाएं ले लेना. Turn left at the next crossroad. Turn left at the next crossroad. तेरी वजह से मैं मरते मरते बचा. I nearly died because of you. I nearly died because of you. मुझे फालतू में भाषण मत दो. Don't lecture me unnecessarily. Don't lecture me unnecessarily. बस अब ये ही कसर रह गई थी. This is all that was left. This is all that was left. मुझसे उसके नखरे बर्दाश्त नहीं होते. I can't tolerate her tantrums. I can't tolerate her tantrums. पैसों को लेकर मेरी उससे बहस हो गई. I had an argument with her over the money. I had an argument with her over the money. तुम तो खामखा नाराज थे. You were upset for no reason. You were upset for no reason. वो ही करो जो यहाँ करने आए हो. Do what you are here for. Do what you are here for. उस पे ताश खेलने का भूत सवार है. He has an obsession with playing cards. He has an obsession with playing cards. अगर किसी को शक हो गया तो what if someone gets suspicious? What if someone gets suspicious? सुबह का सपना सच हो जाता है. A morning dream comes true. A morning dream comes true. उसने मेरा सारा शैम्पू ख़त्म कर दिया. He used up my shampoo. He used up my shampoo. वो मेरी तरक्की से जलता है. He is jealous of my progress. He is jealous of my progress. Progress, or you can say he is jealous of my success. मैं तुम्हारी बातों में नहीं आने वाला हूँ. I'm not falling for that one. I'm not falling for that one. पता नहीं तुम्हें कब अक्ल आएगी. I wonder when you will come to your senses. I wonder when you will come to your senses. पता नहीं मेरी किस्मत में क्या लिखा है. I wonder what's written in my fate. I wonder what's written in my fate. तुम्हारे बिना घर काटने को दौड़ता है. The house seems deserted without you. The house seems deserted without you. वो जितनी सुंदर है उतनी ही समझदार है. She is as wise as she is beautiful. She is as wise as she is beautiful.